Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product for all you Sonic the Hedgehog fans out there. This is, without a doubt, one of the best Sonic games you can get for your Nintendo Switch. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. Sonic the Hedgehog has been an iconic character in the world of gaming, and with SEGA Ages Sonic the Hedgehog on the Nintendo Switch, you can experience the definitive Sonic adventure all over again. This game comes in a digital code format, so no need to wait for shipping. You'll be racing through familiar stages and taking on Dr. Robotnik in no time. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this game stand out. You'll get to experience Mega Play, which was previously only available in the Sonic the Hedgehog arcade game. It adds a whole new level of excitement to the gameplay. If you're a fan of the original Sonic games, you're in for a treat. SEGA Ages Sonic the Hedgehog stays true to the classic Sonic experience, delivering that same high-speed platforming action you love. This version also includes modern enhancements like the drop dash move from Sonic Mania, Ring Keep mode, and Stage Select. These additions make the game even more enjoyable for both seasoned Sonic fans and newcomers. Of course, this game is designed for the Nintendo Switch, making it a perfect fit for gaming on the go or enjoying on your TV. Now, let's talk about the gameplay experience. Playing SEGA Ages Sonic the Hedgehog is a thrilling challenge. You'll find yourself racing against the clock, collecting rings, and battling classic Sonic foes. The controls are responsive, and the graphics look great on the Nintendo Switch. It's nostalgia meets modern gaming. So, there you have it, folks. SEGA Ages Sonic the Hedgehog for the Nintendo Switch is a must-have for any Sonic fan. It combines the classic Sonic experience with modern enhancements, making it one of the best Sonic games available in the market. If you want to relive the magic of Sonic or introduce a new generation to this iconic character, this game is the way to go. That wraps up our review of SEGA Ages Sonic the Hedgehog. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.